Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in seeing how I got this hairstyle, stay tuned and remember to up the quality of your video just to get the full HD effect since I'm filming with like a banging camera. But yeah, stay tuned. So I'm starting off on just like an old high bun that I've had during the week. Same blowout that I had from the last video. So my hair's kind of pull the drawstring tight so your ponytail doesn't fall off. If you're gonna have a wild night, then you might want to add some bobby pins to your ponytail so it doesn't fall off. So after you pull your drawstring and you tighten it, you're just gonna wrap the string around the base of your ponytail multiple times so it is secure. Hi everybody, I'm going to talk for the rest of the video. As you can see, I've attached the ponytail with my scarf on, and it's just a regular drawstring ponytail. It's a 24-inch ponytail by Outre Timeless in the style Mimi. So I'm going to go ahead and take off my silk scarf so I can show you guys what the hairstyle looks like. I already did my edges off camera because there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube on how to do your edges, and if you've watched my last ponytail video, I think I briefly did my edges in that video, but the products I used was the First Touch Edge Control and the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my silk scarf. So this is what the ponytail looks like. I love it. It's the first time I've ever done like a high ponytail like this in my like years now. I love doing affordable hair tutorials because not everybody can afford like expensive hair, and this ponytail was only $12.99 on sale at my local beauty supply store, and it's 24 inches, so you can take hair from the back and wrap it around the ponytail to hide like the seam of the drawstring, or you could just leave it as is. I tied my hair down for a little bit over an hour. I probably want it to be tied down a little bit more. The gel is still wet and sometimes my hair will revert. It just depends on the day. But yeah, this is what it looks like. 24 inches. I just get my plant. 24 inches. And it has like a neat little wave at the end. I really like it. If you guys want to see more affordable hairstyles, remember, I need to look in the lens. If you guys want to see more affordable hairstyles from your local beauty supply store, mine is Outre in Mississauga, and there's a few other locations in the GTA. If you're interested in more, as I said like 1,000 times, affordable hairstyles, just comment down below and I'll try and do more either ponytail hairstyles, half wigs, lace wigs. I don't know, I'll do something. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this hair tutorial. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. I know it hurts sometimes, but